Hey, my friends, hello. How are you today? Today, we are going to be talking about one of the most powerful lead generation strategies and tool that will land you hundreds of leads on a daily basis on complete autopilot. So you don't want to miss it. Stick around. If you want this tool, look in the description of this video and pick it up. Okay, so here we are over on Facebook. And this is a post that I created on the 18th. I've been just letting it simmer and I've been engaging in the comments. But as you can see, all it says is, what could you give a 60-minute presentation on with absolutely no preparation? And so what has happened is these coaches and these business owners have gone in the comments and they have told me what they can give a 60-minute presentation on. I've gone through these comments. I've engaged with these people. I know that these are my perfect fit prospects. And now what I'm going to do is come over and I'm going to run my Chrome extension tool, the Friend Connector Pro, and it is going to pull these people off the post into my world, and it's also going to follow up with them with a message on complete autopilot. I can just set it and forget it, and I'm about to show you exactly how that's done. As you can see, I've got over 11 reactions, and I've got 145 comments right here. So what I'm going to do is click the three dots right here at the top. Now, as you can see, I have the Friend Connector Pro Chrome extension up here, and it's activated. So and it's also, as you can see, when I click the three dots, you can see the Friend Connector Pro is activated on my post. It's activated on every post on my Facebook as soon as I click those three dots. So I'm going to click the three dots, and it's going to pull up this dashboard. I am going to customize what exactly I want the Friend Connector Pro to do. Do I want to send friend requests from the reactions? Do I want to send friend requests from the comments? Or do I want to send friend requests from both? I am going to click both. Then I'm going to choose the reaction. No, I'm not going to choose the reaction for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to about 3 minutes in between sending the friend request. And I am going to let you see it send the first one just for the sake of time. Next, I could choose the gender, the male or female, if I want to choose male or female. I could choose the country, the tier. I would choose a tier 1 country, which is the United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and I think there is the UK. I would choose tier 1 countries, but I know that this is such a great group, and I know that everybody that responded to this post are a great group of people. I've had great interactions with them, so I know that these are my perfect fit prospects. So I'm going to skip that. Look up mutual friends. So how many mutual friends? What I'm going to do is say, I want to have greater than one mutual friend with these people in order for it to send them a friend request. So like, I don't want it to send a friend request to a person that I have no mutual friends with, because Facebook will flag that. Facebook won't let me send that if it thinks I'm sending friend requests to people that I don't actually know. So I'm not going to choose any keywords, but I could choose keywords right here. I could choose like coach, consultant. I'm not going to choose keywords because like I said before, I already know that this is a great group of people. I could choose negative keywords. So if a person has crypto in their description, I could have it exclude them with these negative keywords. And now I am also going to choose the message that I want the system to send them, which will be my power open message. And I will show it to you as soon as it sends it to the person that is going to friend request, which is going to just absolutely like be amazing for my lead generation strategy. So let's go ahead, click it and run it. I'm going to let you see it run. Okay, so I did have to choose the reaction. So I'm going to come and put a check mark by the likes and the loves, and I'm going to click done. Now I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, here they are here. I'm going to scroll down and I am going to run the software. As you can see, the software is now running. It's sending the first friend request. This lady, I have 18 mutual friends in common with this lady. By me having more than 18 mutual friends in common with this lady, that lets me know that she is more than likely an ideal client for me. And so what I would do is get into conversation with her, build relationship with her, and see if there is a need for me to help her. It's sending the next friend request, but what we are going to do is go over and see if it sent this lady a message. And so let's stop it and go over and see if this lady was actually sent a message. As you can see right here, not only did it send her a friend request, but it also sent her that initial message. And that message says, "Hello, Kinjal. It's awesome to meet you on here. I ran across your page and I was impressed with your energy, so I decided to send you a friend request and reach out. I trust that's okay." That's one of my randomized messages. This is an amazing system. This is all you need to generate leads each and every day on complete autopilot. If you want to grab this extension, look in the comments. You won't be disappointed. You're going to get a 7-day trial. You're also going to get a bonus, the friend disconnector. So you don't want to miss it. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you.